Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to turn on notifications for birthdays on the Facebook app for PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever missed a friend's special day because you didn't get a notification, this quick tutorial will make sure that never happens again. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on your main feed, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see several icons there. Click on the notifications icon. It looks like a little bell. After clicking the bell, a drop-down menu will appear showing recent notifications. To adjust what notifications you receive, look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of this drop-down menu and click on it. This will bring up a list of options. Select Notifications Settings to head into the area where Facebook lets you customize your alert preferences. Inside the Notifications Settings menu, scroll through the list until you find Birthdays. Click on it to open birthday-specific notification options. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Make sure this toggle is switched on so that you receive alerts directly on your Facebook app whenever a friend's birthday is coming up. And that's it. By enabling this setting, Facebook will send you timely reminders about birthdays, helping you stay connected and make your friends feel special. The new update has made it easier than ever to control and personalize your notifications, so take advantage and never miss an important celebration. Remember, keeping up with birthdays is a great way to nurture your friendships, and Facebook's notification feature is designed to help with exactly that. Now, every time a birthday is near, you'll get a prompt right on your PC, ready for you to send your best wishes. Thanks for watching.